So hey guys, I just want to show you this new little Nikon D3100 digital camera with an 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It's a nice camera. I purchased this myself, and it has all the features and benefits that you would want from a nice Nikon camera. Very well built. It's got a pop-up flash. Everything works. We just power it on for you. It does have a lens cap. Take the lens cap off. Everything is super clean. Power it on. All the information comes up here on the screen. Really easy to use. You got that nice zoom lens here, automatic focus. Here is the flash right here. Pop-up flash will come up when it's dark, or you can put on automatic. Let's see, automatic. Pop-up flash comes up just like you see right there. So it has all the features and benefits that you're looking for a nice digital camera. If you're looking for some good quality photography, this is definitely the one to use. I'll take a photo to give you an example. Let me just take a picture of this little guy right here. Let's see, we'll do it together if I can get this in there for you. And hold it right there and take a shot. And there it is right there. So you can see how it works. It works perfectly. It's a great little camera. And if you want to play back, all you do is hit the play button like that there and delete. Hit the delete button and that deletes it just like that there. Super easy to use. Batteries in the bottom here. I'll show you that where it is. Here is the battery down here. There's a Nikon battery included in this package, and SD card goes right on the side here as well. And this is a, let's see how size this is, 8 megabyte SD card. Slides right in here just like that. Again, all black construction, all black plastic, but really nice high quality. It's got a mount here for bottom for a tripod, as you can see. There is the side of it. You can actually access it. It has HDMI output, power output. You can hook up a microphone in here, so if you want to record audio, easy enough to do. Has all the features and benefits of a really nice quality Nikon. First quality. It's in very, very good condition. Show you all around, show you the front, show you the lens. Take these lenses off. All you do is hit this button here, twist it, and it comes right off, as you can see. Here's the inside. Again, really, really clean. Lens is really clean. Put it back on. You just line up the dots and twist it and lock it right back in. And the lens cap goes right back on. And that's what it is. That's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed that tour of this really nice quality Nikon D3100 digital DSLR. Thanks for watching.